Has anyone been following the anti-vaccination movement?
No.
I've been following it in bits and drabs because I don't agree with the sentiments, but I admire the people that believe in them, because these people, just bear with me, these people, they carry out their own independent scientific research. Well, none of them are scientifically qualified. None of them read The Independent. And you've just got to admire their vigour. And you've just got to, you know, and they've inspired me recently. So I thought, hey, what's to stop me from doing my own scientific research? I've got an A-level in physics, you know, which is the main cause of my anxiety dreams. Not stand-up, not bereavements, A-level physics. It's like, what can I say, A-level physics, it has its moments. Yeah. One physicist. Nice. Do you want me to tell you the joke about the dating site for physicists? Which is,
Yes.
hot singularities near I've only managed to make one other person laugh with that joke, and that was my brother, who was a physicist. So I'm glad that someone else liked it. So I did this study, and it was a study investigating the similarities between anti-vaxxers and needles. So let me just whip this study out of thin air. Oh, here we go. I've got no pockets, just ripped it out my arse cheeks, you know. As you do. What do anti-vaxxers and needles have in common? Scientific study. Number one, they're both pricks. Number two, they can carry infectious diseases. Number three, they need to be placed in a special bin. Number four, they can prove dangerous if there is air inside of them. And number five, you have to be careful you don't step on them in dangerous alleyways. Now that's me. Get vaxxed, keep safe, stay shagging. Ta-ra.